Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced and welcome to video number 9 in our whole Python PyCharm series. And in this one we're going to be talking about files, like working with files. So I am going to head back to our testing.py, I'm going to clear it all out, and I'm going to make a new file. And that new file will just be a text file. Okay, I'll just do this, new file, and we'll call it hello.txt. Okay, and we'll just right now first just put in the word hello world and then goodbye world on the first line, or on these first two lines. Save. Okay, save. No, this is automatically saves. Okay. So here's what we want to do. Okay, there's a function called open that opens a file. So we're gonna just say hello file, we'll call our variable. Hello file equals, we're going to open a file, and the file we're going to open is hello.txt. Oh, I want that in quotations. And then we have to discuss how we want to open it. Okay, I'm going to put in R. Okay, and just so we can see what the different options are, go over here, let's make some comments. R means we want to read the file. Okay, A means we want to append to the file, which means we're not going to write over what's already in there, we're just going to add to what's in there. W will write to the file, but it'll erase everything that's currently in there. Okay, and then I think it's C for create, if we wanted to create a file. Okay, and is that C or X? Let me just double check. X is create, yes, that's what I thought. Okay, X is for create. So there's your legend. Okay, so this was going to open the file and then store the object that allows us to access the file in this variable. So now let's do hello file dot read. That will print all the text, and then we will close the file. Okay. So if we run this, it should just basically print the text that we've seen. Okay. Oh, forgot to print what's being read by this function. So let's do this. Wrap it in parentheses. Wrap it in parentheses. And then put the word print. Let's run this script again. And there you go. See, it opened up the file and it read. But see, it read both lines. Now, if I only wanted to read one line, I could do read line, and it would just read one line at a time. Okay, so if I do that, okay, and it reads one line at a time. Now, why would I want to do that? Maybe I have each line go into a different variable. So maybe the way I organize the data that I'm saving is that each line is a piece of information that I want to separately parse. You know, these are decisions when you decide how to save data to a file. Okay, cool. So now we've read the file. Let's try adding to the file. Okay, so we're going to add a line to the file. So we're going to do A. So we're opening it to A append. And what we're going to do is we're going to do hello file dot write. And we will write, look, Ma, I appended text to the file. Okay, and then we close the file. So